Dear students, fourth part, 3.5 exercise, question number 4, fourth part. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. Dear students, there are two places A and B, right? One car is starting from A and other is starting from B, and the distance between the two places is 100 kilometer. Now in the first line, what is given to you? If the car travels in the same direction, this is the point to be note down. If the car travels in the same direction, dear students, remember this, at different speeds they meet in 5 hours. If the car travels in same direction, see, if the car at A moves towards right, then B will also move towards right, because same direction is given to us. If they move in same direction, they will take 5 hours to meet each other. Obviously जब हमारे से आगे कोई कार भाग रही होती है तो क्या होता है, we take a lot of time to catch up, right? And in case 2, in second sentence, what is given to you? That if they travel towards each other, now this is the main point, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? And if they travel towards each other, it is moving towards right, it is moving towards left, opposite direction. Towards each other means opposite direction, then they meet in 1 hour. Obviously dear students, if you see, if you two friends are there, if you move towards each other, एक दूसरे की तरफ बढ़ोगे तो जल्दी मिल जाओगे, मीन्स कम टाइम लगेगा मीट करने में. बट एक बच्चा, आपका फ्रेंड आपके आगे चला गया स्कूल और आप पीछे स्कूल जा रहे हो, ऑब्वियसली यू विल टेक मोर टाइम टू मीट ईच अदर. So in this way, two cases are given to you. Now these are the 2 points which are important. Same direction, and second is also opposite direction. This is what on which the speed depends. Dear students, whenever same direction is given to you, always remember, आप कब उससे आगे निकल सकते हो? जब पीछे वाली गाड़ी आगे वाली गाड़ी की स्पीड को कट करे. कट मीन्स उससे ज़्यादा लेके जाए, तभी पीछे वाला आगे निकल पाता है. तो इसके लिए वी विल यूज़ द वर्ड कट. व्हेन द कार फ्रॉम ए कट्स अप द स्पीड ऑफ कार बी, देन ओनली इट विल बी एबल टू मीट द कार फ्रॉम बी. तो जब भी कट वर्ड आएगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट द स्पीड्स. And when they are moving in opposite direction towards each other, obviously जल्दी से आ जाएंगे एक दूसरे की तरफ, they will take less time. क्यों? Because both the speeds are adding up. So in this case, we'll get the speed by adding it. So find the speed of two cars. So we will start the answer from here only. Let the speed of car A is x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of car from B is y kilometer per hour. Then always remember dear students, whenever there is a question of speed, the equation will be obtained from the speed formula. Always remember, whenever in the question they will talk about speed, you will get the equation from the formula of speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. We have two cases, but in the first cases the car from A meets the car from B when it cuts its speed. तो कट के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस साइन. पीछे कौन है? ए, तो उसकी स्पीड बड़े में से बड़ी स्पीड किसे रखनी पड़ेगी? पीछे कौन है? जस्ट लुक एट द एरोज. विच कार इज़ बिहाइंड? ए इज़ बिहाइंड. तो इसे ज़्यादा लेनी पड़ेगी. तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल सबट्रैक्ट द स्पीड ऑफ कार फ्रॉम ए, subtract the speed of car from B from car A. So we'll take x minus 5. But in second case, because both are moving in same opposite direction, their speeds will add up. So in case of addition, you can take any of the variable first. X, you can write x plus y or y plus x. So now put the values in both the cases. In the first case, the speed is x minus y is equal to distance is same, 100 divided by time taken to meet, 5. In second case, speed is x plus y, distance is again the same, 100 divided by time taken to meet is 1 hour. So from here you will get the two equations. X minus y is equal to 100 by 5. When you cut it, you will get x minus y is equal to 20. So this is your first equation. Similarly, put the value in second case. X plus y is equal to 100 divided by 1. So x plus y is equal to 100. This is your second equation. So dear students, solve the two equations by elimination method and get the speed of two cars in this way. So solve them yourself. So dear students, just solve it and you will get the answer. Elimination method, opposite sign is there. 2x is equal to 120 and x is equal to 60 km per hour. Put the value of x in either of the equation, either in 1 or 2. So get the value of y. So therefore the speed of car from A is equal to 60 km per hour and speed of car from B is equal to 40 km per hour. Obviously the car A is behind the car B. So see, it must have the greater speed. So that is already greater. This is the way to check. So in this way, dear students, you can do this question.